So that being said and done, we are now ready to determine our power price. So here we know that our power purchase agreement is usually stated in our engineering production report. So we always have that stated there, and this could be sales to a utility, or it could be sales to an industrial consumer or a commercial consumer. So we know that it is powered on the grid, so there is always an inverter to convert the DC current to AC current. And we know that it is transmitted in megawatts hour according to this model. And we also know that we have the price of $72.75 per megawatt hour. So we're going to be taking the price and multiplying it by the annual energy per year to get the total price for that year. So we're going to be bringing that price year. So that's exactly what we're doing. So we'll also use an index match function. It's going to be equal to index. We go all the way to where we had the price. Here we index all of this. Reference that cell with F4, and then we want to match this year to the year associated with that price. So we are matching this year right here. Reference that cell with F4, and then comma 0 for an exact match. Close the bracket 2 times and we press enter. So as you can see, it's bringing us the $72.75. But then later on, we will have to wrap this with an if error because of this post-purchase price agreement. So in this case, we're gonna go again index for the PPA price, the post PPA price. We index all of this because these cells are not empty, as I said. That's why we are indexing everything. And then we will match this year. We are matching this year. We want to match it there in all of these years here associated with the post PPA price. So we are looking for that year there. Reference that with F4 and comma 0 for an exact match. Close the bracket 2 times and we press enter. So exactly what we expect. So now what we want to do is to wrap this with an if error. We know that the post PPA price begins in the year 2040. So this will begin now until the year 2039, and then this will kick in from 2039 from 2040 to 2049. That's exactly what we're doing here. So now we have to adjust this with an if statement. So we go if error give us a 0, close the bracket, we press enter, and then for this we wrap this with an if error as well. So let's say if error give us a 0 and we press enter. So now to calculate the total revenue, it's gonna be equal to the sum of the PPA power purchase price and the post PPA power purchase price multiplied by our annual energy per year. We have that in place. We can hit enter. We can take all of this, copy it all the way to the end of the project life. Alt ESF, paste as formulas. And as you can see, as we move up to this point, we see that we have the price ending year just as we expect for this length of this PPA term, and then post PPA the $35 kicks in, and this is where the general partners might decide to earn additional revenue to enhance value as a result of extending the power purchase agreement to another decade. So that's exactly what we're doing there. So now we are able to estimate the revenue going forward. So this is the total revenue, that is the sales going forward. So as I said, PPA, it is governed by the sale of energy to an end user. So this end user could be a utility or commercial consumer or an industrial consumer. So basically this gives you an understanding of the energy and how they're generating revenue as a result of that, on to the point where to this point where the term is over for the PPA term, and then the post PPA term kicks in and revenue is still generated. But as a result, we know that it's not going to be the same. Why? Because the panels have been degraded due to UV exposure. As a result, the revenue diminishes over time. So that's exactly what we are seeing in this model. So hopefully this gives you a drive on how to estimate revenue in a renewable energy project. Hopefully I see you in the next video to determine the expenses going ahead, which we will have to include the consumer price index in projecting these expenses going forward.